Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create bounce effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application and I'm going to show you how we can make bounce effect. First thing first, you can add text or maybe emoji to your video. For instance, I'm going to create bounce effect for emoji. I'm going to add emoji to my video. I'm going to click on text and then I'm going to click on sticker. Then I'm going to add emoji. I'm going to add this emoji to my video and I'm going to zoom in like this and click on the check mark, and I'm going to make this emoji align with my video. Okay, and if you want to create bounce effect, you can use the keyframe feature in CapCut. This is the keyframe feature. We can use it to create a bounce effect. For the first position, I'm going to place the emoji right here and click on the keyframe button. Okay, and I'm going to move it down and then move it up just like so, and then move it down again and move it up. Okay, and for the last position, I'm going to make it disappear from the frame. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result guys. As you can see, the bounce effect has been created. I guess and that's all the way to create bounce effect in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.